Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Welcome to this 10-minute meditation to let go, release, and welcome new possibilities. Everything in life moves in cycles, beginnings, middles, and natural completions. Not endings that require urgency or force, but moments where something has been fully lived. When a cycle completes, it creates space that's ready. Today's practice is an invitation to acknowledge what has reached its natural pause, to let the body release what it no longer needs to hold, and to gently make room for what wants to emerge next. So let's begin by simply arriving. Settle yourself into a comfortable position. You could be lying down or sat up, but just so that you feel fully supported. Rest your hands wherever you like, on your lap or your knees. Roll your shoulders back. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a gentle exhale through your mouth. Gently and safely close your eyes. On your next inhale, feel your body expand, letting your body settle in as you exhale the tension, exhale yesterday. Notice the points of contact between your body and what's supporting you, the floor, sofa. And allow yourself to recognize this moment as safe. Bring one hand to your chest and one to your belly. Notice the rhythm of your breaths as you breathe in and out. On each exhale, imagine tension draining downward into the earth. Silently offer yourself this message. You don't need to carry everything forward. Take another deep inhale in this moment and slowly exhale. Now gently bring to mind the sense of a cycle completing, an energetic arc that has moved through its full expression. In nature, cycles complete all the time. In the same way, something within you may be reaching its natural pause. Imagine anything you don't want to carry forward. Expectations, people, places, tangible, non-tangible. Place it all onto the ground in front of you. We're not throwing it away, we're setting it down, and the ground receives it effortlessly. The earth is patient. Take your time. Notice how slowly a space becomes available. It's like clearing a forest where light can reach the ground again. Notice where you sense this space in your body. It may be in your chest, in your belly, your heart space, your shoulders, or maybe you just have a feeling of openness. This space does not need to be filled yet. Allow yourself to rest here, letting your body recognize the openness and vulnerability and space. In nature, when space opens up, something always moves in. When it is ready, when it is the right time. Now, in the same openness in this space, allow yourself to set an intention in readiness. Whisper with me, I am open to whatever wants to come. I am ready for new possibilities. Feel this intention settle into your body. You don't know what will arrive, only that you're present and ready to receive. Breathe here for a few moments. Trust that this space you've made will be filled in its own time. I would like you now to set an intention. I'd like you to think of a word, whatever comes to mind first, that you would like to carry forward with you after today's meditation. Something you want to carry forward. Could it be steadiness, clarity, softness, vulnerability, stability, trust, love. Let the intention land in your body like a light moving into your heart space, lighting up your whole body. Breathe in this intention and exhale as a beautiful light fills your body. This intention is yours. take a final slow breath in and a deep, long exhale. Feel the support beneath you once more, and start to bring your body and your mind back to the room around you. Perhaps roll your shoulders back, wiggle your fingers. Begin to notice the space around you. Gently invite yourself back into this present moment. And open your eyes. Thank you, beautiful souls, for being here. I would love to hear your comments on this meditation. Something that maybe you set down, or something, an intention that you have, a word that you want to carry with you in your heart. A reminder, come back to this meditation at any time you need. When you feel there's something you need to set down to make space for something new. Thank you for giving yourself this time and spending this time with me, and I will see you in the next one.